welcome back to the Vibes. Thank y'all for tuning in to KAIL'S Vibes. I really appreciate it. It's been a while since I did a video, but I'm back and I'm better. So let's just get right into it, alright? Like, to be honest, I really just enjoying this beautiful day, just nature, out here fishing, collecting thoughts, talking to y'all. I don't know. I'm really ready for the fall because this heat has been very disrespectful. But I can't complain, you know? This is one of my go-to places. And I just like to just enjoy time to myself, think, even catch a few fish. It's very therapeutic and it feels amazing, to be honest. I ain't gonna even lie. I love it. It's real nice. But anyway though, this is what I'm doing. Basically out here fishing. It's me. But mainly I just wanted to, hop on a few topics, just open up a little bit more. There's a lot of baby fish in the front. Not a big one. Very relaxing, enjoying nature. Oh shit. Whoa. Real easy. Trying, it's a baby. At least just a baby. It's very quiet out here. Relaxing too. But for the most part though, I feel like sometimes you have to step back and just relax and just have time to yourself and find yourself more. Whether it's enduring and embracing nature, peace, isolating yourself, going for a walk, going fishing, whatever you desire, whatever you feel that is meant for you to cope with life or whatever you're dealing with. But mainly important, just protect your energy, your peace. Don't tolerate, negativity and nonsense. Everything is not meant for you to tolerate. Some things are meant for you to, as far as how I feel, to make you stronger. But at the same time, if you gotta walk away and just remove yourself, then that's what you gotta do. Cause that's holding you back. That's keeping you off track. So the main thing and important thing is always do what makes you happy, that brings balance and peace to your life, and what makes you unique and what makes you a better person. But I don't know about y'all, but it's really beautiful out here. Just the sun glazing on the lake like that, watching the fish jump in and out of the water, just listening to the little critters and stuff that's out here. Feeling the breeze and the wind is very, very enduring. I love it. I don't know. This is my country vibe, I guess. Yeah. Lately, my mind been a little bit everywhere. So, coming out here and just doing my thing, it's relaxing. But man, that's a catfish. That's a big fish, and I want it. It's gonna break my reel if I get it. And y'all gotta see this fish, yo. It's a big fish out here. I caught like 3 of them. Wait, hopefully it turn back around, come back out so y'all can see it. It's real, like, my fishing pole ain't gonna get it, but if I had a different fishing pole, hold up, wait. Every time I put the camera on it don't want to come out the water. Hold up. Shh. Wait, you see it? I don't think I see that. Man. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all a little fishies I caught. Yeah, I'll be out here doing my thing though. Coming home with me for dinner. They be gobbling down the hood too, yo. Y'all see that? And of course, if you got like my Instagram or anything, matter of fact, just click the link below and I'll put everything on there. I'll let y'all see all the fish and stuff, the pictures and stuff, or whatever. I don't got no Snap or whatever, but if you want my Insta or something like that, my TikTok, I got you. It'll be down there and below in the link, so y'all can go on and check it out. And mainly importantly, if you like it, you feel it, don't be shy. Like, comment, and subscribe, and just stay tuned. You never know what type of vibes I got. This is my day. A day at the lake. You feel it? Like, I like it. Mainly, I just been trying to stay motivated. And it's 2 of them. Yo! Oh my gosh. Yo, I don't know. But this is me. I'm finna get back here at this lake. Get back into the groove. Catch me a few more fish. And so y'all can be able to catch tunes and tap into my video, however you want to do it. But for the most part, I'm finna cast this reel out. I love y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Have a good day. Embrace nature. Stay motivated. Don't tolerate nonsense. And just do your thing. Invest to success. And it's okay to rock alone. I do it all the time. Majority. But I get back at y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. But yeah, like I was saying, that's the thing about life. Just like when you fishing out here, you gotta be patient, focused, and persistent, or consistent with it, however you want to put it. But it's real fun. Same thing with life. You gotta be patient, consistent, and just flow with it, and let everything come together. Don't get distracted. It's okay to be cautious, but don't be too cautious. You gotta adventure life. Mainly, you gotta stay motivated and somewhat inspired and dedicated to what you're passionate about and what you love to do. Always do what makes you happy and brings you peace. You know? Life is amazing. It's really art when you look at it. When you look at it though, think about it. Like a big old puzzle that you seem to have to figure out how to put together. But when you get it together, it's the most amazing thing that you can ever have. Especially when you're in peace within yourself, and you know how to love yourself and like yourself, whether you're alone, especially when you're alone. That's a little baby. That's just a little baby. Now the sun wanna come back out. Told you the sun be real disrespectful, y'all. But yet, I can't complain. Just vibing, just chilling. I don't know. Just putting back the pieces. It's all coming together. Faith over fear, right? When you feel like you're going through a hard time or everything ain't gonna come together how you planned it out, just pray to God. And then you have to think like, hey, maybe his plan is better than my plan. That's when I say you gotta be patient and just flow with life. Don't worry, don't stress. Be consistent. Have faith. It's all good. Listen and stay focused. Why is it playing? Yo. Hey, real smart, huh? I'm gonna get him. It's called patience. Dedication, motivation. Watch this. I don't want them little baby ones. I'm letting them go. I do. Well, anyways, y'all, for the most part, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, I appreciate the love and the support. And if you didn't, oh well, no hard feelings. But for the most part, enjoy your day. Do what makes you happy. Stay motivated. Stay focused. And don't let nothing hold you back. You hear me? So, hopefully this, brought a little peace and balance to whatever you may be dealing with or your day. But stay blessed. Love you. Peace.